Nature doesn't ask for permission, it takes power. The Bengal tiger, a symbol of raw power, moves through the misty jungle, its stripes glowing in the dramatic sunlight.
This is not just an animal. This is a king. True power doesn't prove itself. It's felt. Strength isn't loud until it needs to be. Silent, focused, unstoppable. Alone you survive. Together you dominate. Precision is power. Patience creates the deadliest hunters. If nature inspires you, like, follow, subscribe, because the wild never stops.